Being one of the most enduring industrial activities in Europe, the European automotive industry has achieved global success by accounting to more than 40% of the global automotive value share, with success stories of Scania, BMW, Volkswagen, and Volvo. European automotive leaders in Malaysia have successfully introduced a customer-centric mobility ecosystem within the region together with their Malaysian and ASEAN counterparts. Despite the challenging and competitive landscape over the recent years, the European automotive industry continues to strive to maintain its leading position in future mobility through the adoption of new mobility technologies and the development of technological innovation.
Malaysia's heavy commercial vehicle industry has always been vibrant. It is one of the biggest markets in Southeast Asia, with potential for tremendous growth. Even with the challenges brought on by COVID-19, the movement of goods continues.
COVID-19 has been undoubtedly in the head of and in the mind of everybody during 2020. And every business, including the motorcycle industry, has been affected in one way or another.
Malaysia's strategic location and infrastructure offer a competitive advantage by lowering the cost of doing business.
Trade with European countries over the years has evolved and moved from exporting or importing commodity and agriculture-based products to manufacturing focusing on high-tech and high-value products.
From our operation here in Malaysia, we support several markets in ASEAN besides Malaysia. We are present in Singapore with 2 branches, in the Philippines, in Vietnam, Myanmar, and in Brunei. We are present for our customers via our authorized dealers. Scania also operates in Thailand and in Indonesia. These investments are part of the continued European commitment in the heavy commercial vehicle industry in Malaysia and also ASEAN. As a global company based in Sweden, we see our involvement becoming more and more critical in helping shape the transport system for the future.
In order to apprehend, to understand and to learn new needs, new trends, and of course being at the forefront of the market. This is what GV has been for all of its life, and this is what GV will be in the future.
Global trends like urbanization, digitalization, and sustainability are already here in Malaysia. We also have the broadest range of renewable fuels and electrification solutions, from natural gas, hydro-treated vegetable oil, bioethanol, biogas, biodiesel, to plug-in hybrid and battery electric vehicles, all of which can contribute substantially reducing carbon footprint. There is also a newer appreciation in light of the Movement Control Order for locally made products and services, spurring the movement of goods and people, which will need more trucks, buses and coaches. This means there is a need for sustainable transport solutions.
The digital world has entered in our way of life on a daily basis. Therefore, this year we did our first digital launch, which was indeed very successful. And the box which we launched it gave us a very strong result, both in sales and in acclamation from our dealers and from the end users.
EU investors can also tap on our extensive network of free trade agreements, positioning Malaysia as their export hub for components and vehicles to the Asia-Pacific region and beyond.
The overall intended outcomes of the NAP 2020 would be more research of new technologies, creation of business and job opportunities, particularly for the SMEs, and the development of new manufacturing processes and value chains within the local automotive and overall mobility sector.
Business communities from both sides should further explore opportunities and strength from their respective economy. Malaysia can offer cost-competitive outsourced manufacturing services for European business partners. Greater collaboration and cooperation between Malaysia and the EU are needed to tackle the challenges and opportunities arising from the situation.
The strength of keep innovating and the strength of keep investing in new product, in new human resources, in new technology, in order to maintain our brand, our product, and to the highest possible level. And we are already planning various number of digital launch, started from all of our branches, from Malaysia to Italy to Vietnam, in order to keep afloat and to keep our customer interested in our brand, and more importantly, to make them aware of our strengths and our new product and our willingness to keep moving forward, to keep investing in ourselves, in our customer, in our product.
The Malaysian government, through the Malaysian Investment Development Authority, remains proactive in attracting new quality automotive investment into Malaysia and facilitating and encouraging our existing players to explore new opportunities in the country.
Future economic collaboration with EU could provide positive impacts in terms of FDI inflows towards the Malaysian automotive sector. Transfer of technology to further enhance Malaysia's capability in the automotive industry is an area where we can work with the European companies, especially to fulfill the vision of National Automotive Policy 2020 with regards to the development of next generation vehicles, mobility as a services and industrial Revolution 4.0.
One of our proven strengths have always been in fuel efficiency, known by many to be able to reduce fuel consumptions of up to 15%. Scania is committed to achieving the Paris Agreement goals of limiting global warming to 1.5 degrees above the pre-industrial levels. Scania continues to aim to be a leader in driving the shift towards a sustainable transport system, together with our customers, infrastructure partners, and even drivers, passengers, and goods owners.
The automotive sector is facing major disruptions in regards to sustainability and the evolution of AI leading towards autonomous vehicles. While the pandemic may have impacted financial capabilities, it also stressed the urgent need to innovate. With Malaysia being a great market to manufacture and even test products due to its experience from national car projects, the cultural diversity, as well as potential to expand into the region via strategic incentives, it provides an ideal platform for European companies to engage and expand their business in the nation as well as the ASEAN region. At EUROCHAM Malaysia, we fill in the gaps together with our members, strategic partners and bilateral chambers of commerce, as well as the Malaysian government, to strengthen relations for a sustainable and innovative automotive sector in Malaysia.
We are very glad to be part of the continued European commitment in inspiring the automotive industry in Malaysia. EU MAI, stronger together.
EU MAI, stronger together.
EU MAI, stronger together.
EU MAI, stronger together.
EU MAI, stronger together.